nostril. These are separated from one another by septum. A bony plate called palate separates the oral cavity from me. I was lined with mucous membrane which secretes mucus. When air is passed through mucus layer, hair gets humidified and its temperature is adjusted to that of body temperature, and it takes water vapor so that it becomes more moisture than before. Dust and particulate matter in the air also gets trapped on the mucus layer. I have three chambers which can be differentiated into three parts, namely vestibular part, respiratory part, olfactory part.
Hi, I am vestibular part. I have hair and circular gland. I will prevent the entry of dust particles.
Hi, I am respiratory part, which is involved in the conditioning of the temperature of inhaled air. It has three tiny tubules called tubules.
Hi, I am olfactory part. I am here to affect the epithelium. My job is to detect smell of objects. I am located in nasal cavity.
Hi, I am pharynx, also known as nasopharynx. I am a muscular chamber. I have a common passage of air and food and is connected through glottis, which is a slit-like opening. A cartilaginous flap called epiglottis acts as a lid over glottis, and prevents food from entering into larynx. Air from me enters larynx and food from me enters esophagus. Warming and moistening goes in my common passage of respiratory and digestive system. Epiglottis, a flap-like muscular valve, controls the movement of air and food towards their respective passes. Nasal chambers lead into me through a pair of internal nostrils, and I lead into oropharynx and opens up with glottis of larynx and into trachea.
Hi, I am the larynx. I am the stiff box contains our vocal cords. When air passes out of the lungs and over the vocal cords, I cause them to vibrate. I produce a sound on the basis of our speed, song, etc. I am generally called as the voice box. I am the upper part of the trachea. I have vocal cords which vibrate during the expiration and produce a sound. Walls of me are supported by 9 cartilages. Thyroid, cricoid and epiglottis are the unpaid cartilages, whereas corniculate, arytenoids and cuneiform are the paid cartilages. Epiglottis is a thin leaf-like elastic cartilaginous flap attached to the thyroid cartilage and produces sound. The yellow elastic cartilage, the vocal cords are thicker and longer and produces low pitch voice. Whereas in women's and children's, the vocal cords are short. They produce low high pitch voice.
Hi, I'm trachea. I'm commonly known as the windpipe. I start from larynx, travel through the neck and enters into the thoracic cavity. I am supported by C-shaped wings made up of hyaline cartilage. These wings keep me incomplete and keep me preventing from collapsing and closing. Internally, I am lined by pseudostratified ciliated epithelium.
Hi, we are the bronchus, which lead into two lungs. I am right bronchi, which lead into the right lung.
I am left bronchi, which feed the left lung. At its lower end, the trachea or windpipe divides into two. I am the one leading to the left lung.
We entering the mid-thoracic cavity. Trachea divides at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra, right and left primary bronchi.
The primary bronchus enters the corresponding lungs and divided into secondary bronchi, that further divided into tertiary bronchi.
The tertiary bronchi divide and redivide to form primary, secondary, tertiary tunnels, respiratory bronchioles sequentially.
Hi, I am bronchioles. I am further divided into smaller and smaller branches called bronchioles. I am the bronchioles of respiratory
organs in the right ventricle. Outside the heart, I am divided into two branches. There are right and left pulmonary artery, which carries the blood to right and left lungs.
Hi, I am inferior vena cava and also called as post-caval vein. I collect deoxygenated blood from lower parts of the body such as abdominal, hands and legs.
Hi, I am superior vena cava. I am also known as precaval vein. I collect deoxygenated blood from upper parts of the body such as head and neck.
Hi, we are lungs. I'm left lung. I'm right lung.
I'm smaller in size.
I'm larger in size.
I have 2 lobes due to occupation of heart.
But I have 3 lobes because no occupation of heart.
We are covered by the 2 membrane called pleura.
We also have a fluid called the pleural fluid, which protects us from mechanical jerks and injuries.
We are spongy in nature and pink in color.
We are made up of microscopic numerous alveoli.
We are situated in the thoracic cavity, which is a airtight chamber.
We are protected by the rib cage, where the structural units for the respiratory system.
Hi, I am alveoli. Alveoli are made up of lungs in the vertebrate, which are made up of several thousands. We are the small chambers called alveoli. We are the alveoli structured and functional unit of lungs. We are the alveoli supplied with a branch of the bronchial and capillaries which bring a deoxygenated blood. We are the inner exchange of gases takes place. We are the clusters of the air cells called alveoli. In the lungs, very small and various gases exchange of takes place. Like capillaries take up the deoxygenated oxygen and accept carbon dioxide.
Hi, I am blood. I am a fluid matrix substance. I have 4 components. They are RBC, WBC and platelets and plasma. And I will help in respiratory process to carry oxygen and carbon dioxide to transport unwanted materials.
Hi, I am the part of caval veins. We are majorly 3 types. The first one is pre-caval vein or inferior caval vein, and the second one is post-caval vein or superior venal cava. And I am the pulmonary vein, an exception from these 2 veins. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood. I will carry oxygenated blood. I collect oxygenated blood from the lungs. I pump oxygenated blood to the left auricle.
Go back. Go.
Hi, I am heart. I am an hollow organ. I was situated lightly left lung. I was made up of cardiac muscles and in the size of conical with apex facing backwards, the broad base directed backwards. I was protected by rib cage from all over the sides and vertebral column from back side. I consist of 4-chambered muscular heart. It's a network closed branches with blood vessels and blood. Structure of heart. The heart is a mesodermal in origin. It is thick-walled, muscular and pulsating organ. It was situated in mediastinum. The region in the thorax between 2 lungs.
Hi, I'm pericardium. The heart is enclosed in a double-layered transparent thin sac called pericardium. The space between inner and outer layers are called pericardial spaces. It was filled with a fluid called pericardial fluid. Pericardium and pericardial fluid protects the heart from physical strokes or blows.
Friends. Hi, I am right auricle. I am larger in size. I receive deoxygenated blood from body parts through veins. I receive deoxygenated blood from all body parts except lungs. I pump blood into right ventricle. Hi, I am right ventricle. I am smaller in size. I receive blood from right auricle. Pulmonary aorta takes place in me. I pump blood into lungs through pulmonary artery.
Hi, I am left auricle in the heart. I am smaller in size. I receive blood through pulmonary vein and I pump the blood into left ventricle.
Hi, I am left ventricle. I am larger in size. Systemic aorta originates from me. I receive oxygenated blood from left auricle. I pump blood to aorta except lungs. Bicuspid or mitral valve present between left auricle and left ventricle. I have thick walls than left ventricle. And because I am responsible for the pump of the blood to long distance in the body.
Hi, I am aorta. I am the largest artery in the heart. I am the systemic aorta and I am the systemic trunk. I arise from left ventricles and I carry blood to the small arteries.
Hi, I am arteries. I receive the oxygenated blood from aorta. I do not have any valves. I and blood capillaries carry the oxygenated blood to various parts of the body except lungs.
Hi, I am body parts which receives oxygenated blood from body arteries and from us. The capillaries collects the deoxygenated blood and pumps into the heart.